Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, which is Unpacking with Meshak Mate. So already there are people who are asking if ever am I going to vote for My Way Africa by Floyd Shivambu. So I believe it's still too early to can talk about such things because we haven't seen anything from My Way. Beside that, Floyd Shivambu is from the EFF and MK party, but on paper we haven't seen anything. I haven't seen even the constitution of Maibuye Africa party. So it's still early for me to can say I can vote for them or I cannot vote for them. So for now, I cannot rule out voting for them. I cannot say I'm voting for them because I haven't seen anything. And I vote based on principle and what I see on paper. I cannot just vote because someone is a celeb or someone is a it's a politician who comes from different political parties. So yeah, I'm not